Say hello to HyGo, the first mobile cleaning station of its kind. HyGo is special because it's purpose-built for cleaning efficiency. Inspired by input from food and beverage manufacturing pros, it's got all the details all right all the way around. HyGo is constructed entirely of FDA-compliant materials, making it safer for your food manufacturing facility. Designed with cleanability in mind, HyGo features rounded-off edges and smooth surfaces, which reduce harborage points, offering real advantages in sanitary design. Customizable storage can hold up to 12 tools, and sturdy trays confidently stow heavy chemicals and buckets. Sized to fit in small spaces, through doors, and with a low center of gravity, HyGo goes anywhere. Available in 6 different colors to match your color coding program, HyGo is made to be used and designed to be loved. Wherever you go, HyGo.